Annyeonghaseyo, Raiza.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, Raiza, did you already bought your school uniform and PE uniform?
Yes.
Pakita daw. So, unsa man siya mo na imong school uniform. Yes. Pila ka bukas set yung gipalit? One set?
One set.
Okay. And your sana PE uniform. Asa man ang Paris. Okay. So, kinsa may nagpapalit ana?
SJ Nim.
Sama ni mo ingon?
SJ Nim, kamsahamnida.
Annyeonghaseyo, Liranim.
Annyeonghaseyo.
How are you today?
I'm feeling good, but my teeth is swelling.
Asa na siya kanang kuan cavities?
Toothache.
Cavities.
Cavities.
Raso. So your face is swelling a little bit raman.
A little bit.
Okay. So I'm here to deliver. You have here 2 pan of Geran, 2 box, 3 tong of Choco Pie, milk 1, 500 pesos worth of mango, and also pork and fish. So I bought it from Save More, worth 500 pesos. Okay, and lastly, Iho Jinim gives you 2,000 pesos Yongtan for you. And this is for my bedel fee, 500 pesos. Okay. So,
Ihojinim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida. Thank you for your kind and generosity and for your effort to give me all this, and that's all. Kamsahamnida, thank you so much, and for Sir Bikinim and Kuya Rex, thank you so much.
Araso, kamsahamnida. Ihojinim, kamsahamnida for the bedel fee. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Kinshin.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, you already bought your school uniform and shoes. So, you already have school shoes. Na kay school shoes. So, imo na lang gipalit kay saan na siya? Rubber shoes. Ano lang imong gipalit? Og uniform mo saka set. So, hindi siya lang need siya nimo ipatahi. Ha? Ipatahi siya sa kilid. So, napaman kay remaining money. So, mo to ibayad nimo ana ipatahi dayon katong patch gani nga imong napalit. O sad to itahi diri ha, ipatapot. Ha? So, you already bought a school uniform and shoes. So, that is from
Choco Mini, kamsahamnida.
Okay, kamsahamnida Choco Minim. Bye-bye.